Air quality directly affects the health of your community members and their environment. Air pollution can aggravate asthma and cause many other harmful health conditions. But not all communities are impacted equally by air pollution, with many environmental justice communities bearing a greater burden. So what can you do about air pollution? Many communities get help from scientists to apply for grant funding, investigate air quality, and push for change. The scientists at Sonoma Technology have over 40 years of experience partnering with communities, so we know that no two communities are the same. Some communities are heavily impacted by suspended dust lofted up by the wind from construction piles or roadways. These larger, coarse particles can irritate the throat and sinuses. Other communities suffer most from fine particles that come from burning fossil fuels like coal, gasoline, diesel, and wood. These smaller, more dangerous particles penetrate deep into the lungs. Your community might even be exposed to cancer-causing toxic metal particles floating in the air. Sonoma Technology scientists can help you identify the specific pollutants in your community based on your insights and nearby sources. Your greatest concern might be invisible gases such as carbon monoxide, benzene, ethylene oxide, or greenhouse gases. These gaseous pollutants come from burning fuel and from industries such as dry cleaning, oil production, and those using solvents. We help communities design measurement campaigns involving regulatory grade monitors, air sensor networks, or mobile monitors. We identify your pollution sources, find out if the issues are improving or worsening over time, and develop websites and apps to share the data with community members. We can even empower your community with air monitor workforce training, hands-on student air quality education, and actionable solutions that improve the health of your community. And it all starts with helping you secure critical grant funding from federal, state, and local agencies. At Sonoma Technology, we support each community partner in a way that best fits their unique air quality needs, because everyone deserves to know what's in the air they breathe.